कोई भी नहीं कर रहा, बहुत कम लोग होंगे। सर जितने भी पब्लिक सेक्टर यूनिट है, मैं मानता हूं कि उस समय 1994 में एक्ट आया होगा प्राइवेट एयरलाइन को लाने के लिए, लेकिन साहब मैं कह रहा हूं उसके बाद पब्लिक सेक्टर यूनिट पूरे देश के बेचकर सारे देश को प्राइवेट कर दिया। अब जितने एयरपोर्ट की बात कर रहे हैं, अडानी जी के कितने एयरपोर्ट हैं जी, रेलवे किनके पास है, सारे देश को पता है। लेकिन जो ये बिल है, बात तो उसकी हो रही है कि लेकिन नहीं क्या गलत कहा है? सर ऑपरेटर के नाम से तो सबको लुटाया जा रहा है जनाब। निशिकांत जी, ऑपरेटर के नाम से तो सबको लुटाया जा रहा है। अदानी एयरपोर्ट लिखा हुआ है सब वो वेलकम करते हैं एयरपोर्ट के ऊपर जाकर। माननीय सदस्य सर वो हर एयरपोर्ट पे वेलकम कर रहे हैं। अदानी एयरपोर्ट है, उनके मुलाजिम रखे हुए हैं, आप कह रहे हैं नहीं। रेलवे के ऊपर लिखा हुआ है अदानी रेलवे, आप कैसे मना कर सकते हो? वो तो सब लोगों को दिख रहा है। अपनी बात सर, बात तो यही हम कह रहे हैं कि इसको कम करने के लिए, रेट को इसको कम करने के लिए सरकार को एक अच्छी कमेटी बनाए, रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी को स्ट्रेंथन करना है, उसको स्ट्रेंथन कीजिए। हम इस बिल का समर्थन करते हैं, लेकिन जो पब्लिक है जिसको
2006 में, अब चट भी मेरी और पट भी मेरी नहीं चलेगी।
हमने सर आप नहीं आप साथ ही थे उस समय सर, आप साथ थे,
अपने विषय को
आपने तो बताया था, आपने सजेस्ट किया था। सिंधिया जी आपने सजेस्ट किया था, ये सिंधिया जी आपने सजेस्ट किया था। बिल्कुल सर, ये गुनाह साथ जाएंगे।
माननीय सदस्य अपनी बात कंप्लीट करिए। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध कर रही हूँ अपने।
सर मेरी मांग है, जो जितने भी ओल्ड पैसेंजर हैं, जितने बुजुर्ग पैसेंजर हैं, उनके लिए सरकार स्पेशल इंसेंटिव दे। लेकिन अब जब सीट जब बुकिंग हो जाती है मैडम, सिर्फ जो मिडिल सीट है चेयरमैन मैम, सिर्फ वही नॉर्मल बुकिंग पे मिलती है। सभी सीटों के ऊपर 200 से लेकर 2000 रुपया फिर एयरलाइन वहां लेती है मौके के ऊपर। एक फैमिली जाती 10 आदमी, 10,000 रुपया 20,000 रुपया उनसे फिर ले लिया। तो ये सब चीज को रेगुलेट करना है, और इन्होंने सारा देश बेच के, मैडम आपको सबको पता है।
धन्यवाद माननीय।
एयरलाइन की बात करते हैं, रेलवे, जो जितने पब्लिक सेक्टर यूनिट है, सारी जायदाद तो इन्होंने बेच दी है। कम से कम इसको रेगुलेट कर दीजिए। मैं मंत्री महोदय जी को बेनती है कि हमारे जो साथी शफी पार्मेबिल जी बिल लेके आए, हम उसका समर्थन करते हैं और इसके ऊपर सख्ताई से पेश आए। धन्यवाद।
माननीय सदस्य श्री बी मेहताब जी।
थैंक यू। धन्यवाद मैडम चेयरपर्सन। Honorable Speaker has congratulated our colleague Shafi Parambil, and yesterday I was actually inquiring what does this Parambil stand for, and I was from his friend, and I was told that is his family name. I believe it's the surname which is being used. And a week or 10 days before earlier, I was reading about him in the Hindustan Times. A good piece along with his photo also was published about his student career as a student leader and how he took the challenge during this 2024 election and came to a different place to contest and also could mobilize adequate support. He has, I believe, up to 10 points, 10 sections in the resolution. 9 sections are explaining the situation, and the last one, that is K, where he has certain suggestions which needs to be adopted by this House. My request to you, Shafi ji, is don't get persuaded by the minister to withdraw the resolution. Because normally what happens, because I am in the Treasury bench, but my suggestion, as this is a private member bill, my suggestion would be, I don't know what is your experience in the assembly. But this resolution needs to be passed. This is my view. And we have, I believe, the minister, you have congratulated the minister about his yesterday's assurances. But this needs to be, if you feel that this needs to be passed as a resolution by this House, please do not withdraw. Coming to the issue, I would say most of the points have been already covered, but I would just like to mention here, especially relating to the minister, young minister, the report about which has been referred to standing committee report. The chairman of that standing committee was Vijay Sai Reddy. And Vijay Sai Reddy is also from Andhra Pradesh, of course, from YSR Congress. He was heading that committee. And most of his suggestions are being deliberated today. And your resolution also is quite part of that. Best thing of that committee report is self-regulation of ticket prices by airlines has not been effective. After considering the responses from the Civil Aviation Ministry on airfares, the Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture, said self-regulation of ticket prices has not been very effective. It suggested to have a mechanism whereby DGCA is empowered to regulate our tariff, air traffic. I differ with this suggestion. I will come to my suggestion a little later. Currently, airfares are neither established nor regulated by the government. It has also reiterated to explore the feasibility of establishing a separate entity with quasi-judicial powers to exercise control over airfares being charged by the airlines. I'm not against privatization. Because of privatization, the texture of the airports have changed drastically, and we saw it before our eyes during last 20 years, how the airport texture changed. But privatization was supposed to bring in competition. But what we very rightly told by the mover of this resolution, but the problem today is it is not competition, it is cartelization. And to a certain extent, as Nishikantji mentioned, it is monopolistic also. Only one airline will go to that same airport, and he will decide what would be the rate. How rates are fixed for air journeys? Is it that only the revenue management and commercial interest are at the core in determining the rates? We are told airfares are market-driven and are neither regulated nor established by the government. Airlines are free to fix reasonable tariffs. I'm yet to understand what these reasonable tariffs are. Perhaps the Ministry of Commerce may explain that to us. Or the Minister of Civil Aviation can tell us. Should it be the cost of operation, characteristics of services, and reasonable profit? All three taken together. We are also told that DGCA has established tariff monitoring unit which monitors fares on select sectors on random basis. And I am also reminded last month when the minister practically vowed to review the surging prices